I'm going to show you how to use a manual, no electric breast pump. This pump is simple, quiet, and perfect for everyday use at home or while traveling. First, make sure all the parts are clean and properly assembled. Wash your hands, then attach the pump securely to the bottle. Now, gently place the flange over your breast, making sure it fits comfortably and forms a good seal. Comfort is very important. There should be no pain while pumping. Start pumping slowly by pressing the handle. Use gentle, rhythmic motions. At first, pump lightly to stimulate milk flow, then continue at a steady pace. You'll see milk gradually collecting in the bottle. Because this is a manual pump, you have full control over the speed and pressure, which many moms find more comfortable. Once you're done, carefully remove the pump and cap the bottle. If your baby is ready, you can feed the milk directly using a clean bottle nipple. If not, store the milk safely according to breast milk storage guidelines. After feeding, don't forget to wash and dry all pump parts for the next use. This no electric breast pump is a great option for new moms looking for a portable, affordable, and easy solution. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with other moms. See you in the next video.